Hi, my name's Tom Meitzel, a licensed real estate broker in the state of Wisconsin, and this is our first video for buyers. Now, the first thing we want to talk about is getting pre-qualified or pre-approved for a mortgage. There's a difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. Pre-qualification means you've met with a lender and the lender has, based on what you've told them, determined how much you're going to qualify for, and they'll typically give you a letter for this. When you make an offer on a property, the seller's realtor is going to require that you provide a pre-qualification letter, typically within 3 to 5 days. It's sometimes called a comfort letter, and the reason it's provided is so that the seller knows that you've at least spoken to a lender and that on first impressions you look good enough to qualify for a mortgage. Now, pre-approval is a very useful tool, and pre-approval is where the lender actually goes through what's called the underwriting process. Just like you have at a home selected and you were going to buy a certain home, they'll go through and analyze all your financials and get the mortgage in place, subject only to you finding a home and an appraisal on the property that the amount you're paying for the property is the same or less than the appraised value. So pre-qual, you're going to need just to put an offer in, but if you don't have a home in mind, if you go ahead and get a pre-approval, it makes your offer much stronger because it tells the seller that as long as the home appraises for your purchase price, that you've actually got the money available. So see your lender before you start shopping, get pre-qualified at a minimum, and start working toward the pre-approval process, and it'll make your buying experience much more enjoyable.